Hey guys, another part of the CELDT writing is the essay. Okay, the essay, oops, go back here. The essay is something that you should not be afraid of. Don't think of this as the massive essay that you're going to write in English class. Think of it as just a short composition. So you'll be given a prompt, and you want to make sure that you read the prompt. So here's a sample one that I got. It says, for this number, you'll write a short essay about a given topic. Think about what you will write before you write it. Use descriptions, details. This is basically the same thing as the CELDT sentence writing. It's just amped up. Okay? And so in one paragraph, describe your greatest adventure. So you can see this is pretty easy. They don't expect you to write a ton. I would, however, write at least 2 to 3 paragraphs. Okay, the highest score you can get in this area is a 4. So you want to make sure that it fully addresses the prompt. This is very important. One of the sample essays that I have seen in the past was an amazing essay. I mean, it was one of the best I've ever seen. However, it got a score of 0 because it did not address the prompt. So make sure that you really, really read the prompt when we're practicing and then when you take the test. You want to make sure that you write in paragraph form. It's not just shoving together a bunch of ideas on the paper. Everything needs to be organized, and again, we have capitalization, punctuation. You want to make sure that your wording is good and proofread, because spelling and mechanics do count. How does this look? Here's an example. Write a paragraph about something you would like to learn to do and explain why. So as you can see, this one got full points, got 4 points, but look at how long it is. It isn't very long, and we haven't even read it yet. Okay, let's take a look. Who is the greatest in basketball? Who dunks? Who wants to be like Mike? What I would like to learn is to play basketball and be like Michael Jordan. I would want to learn how he plays defense because defense is hard work, and to be able to win games is defense. I want to learn how he shoots the ball. And the reason of that is because he can shoot in any perimeter he wants and makes the shoot. I want to learn his dribbling skills because I want to juke players on the court. I would like to learn about Michael Jordan's basketball skills because he does everything well, like defense, ball handles, shot, and being a leader on the team. So you can even hear there are some mistakes within this, but it's very clear. It has an organization. It has a beginning, middle, and end, or intro, body, conclusion, even though it is written in one paragraph. Okay, basic rules. Stay inside the box. So you'll be given a box to write, and usually it's 2 pages. The first page has the question with the box, and then it gives you another page. Stay on topic. So if you need to, write a quick little outline on the side and then just kind of go through and mark off what you're writing from your outline. Be sure to answer the whole prompt. So some people will look at a prompt, answer it, but maybe the prompt has 2 questions, and so they answer the first one but not the second one. If you forget to answer the second one, you don't get all your points. Again, same with the sentences, capital letters, punctuation, and details. Okay, so basically remember, people are looking to see if you can use English appropriately. All right, so you need to use your words. Be sure you can do it. Here's an example of one you might get. Imagine that you found a wallet on, see, I even make typos, on the street that contained $500. Write a short essay explaining what you would do. Okay, so remember, what is the prompt asking you to do? It's asking me to write a short essay. It's asking me to explain what I would do if I found this wallet on the street. Okay, what would I say? So I need to make sure in the beginning of my essay that I introduce the topic, which is this right here, that I found the wallet, and then I need to explain what I do and then sum it up at the end.